What up, guys? Today we're gonna do a tutorial video for the first time. This is gonna be a tutorial on how to add FaceCam to your PS4 videos. Is a method I only know that I know it certainly works with all iOS devices. I don't know about Android, but if you can try it. So first, you're gonna need a iOS device. I have an iPhone right now. Of course, a PlayStation, and a PC, any type of PC or laptop, whatever you have. It works as long as it has Google Drive. So for this part, for the first part, we're gonna have to use a PlayStation. Okay, so I have to record this part with my phone camera because PlayStation doesn't let you record your home screen. So you're gonna record your video. See, it says gameplay currently not being recorded. So when you're in a game, it won't tell you that, of course. But when you're done, just press this button, the share button, twice, and there it is. That won't tell you. It will say file saved or something like that. Then you can go to your capture gallery. Look for a video. Let's see. Let's go for this one. Oh, I have nothing. Okay, let's go for a Share Factory video. Okay, so go for the shortest one I have. There, this one I think. Nope, it's this one. So when you finally chose your video, click the options menu. It's here. Click it, and it'll ask you the delete, copy to USB storage device, edit, and Share Factory, sort by, play, trim, information. You'll have to select copy to USB storage device. Just press copy, and there it is. This will take a while. Oh, I forgot to say, you also need a flash drive. Okay, when it's done, I'll tell you. So I am gonna give you a small disclaimer. I think it's pretty big for some people, but this is a long process. For me, it takes me around took me around a day because my internet is pretty slow. As you can tell, this process is pretty long. It depends how much you want to edit the video in your phone. If you have a good video converter, this will be a lot easier. This is a Chromebook, so it doesn't support too much. So yeah, it just works for easier stuff. Of course, this is not necessary. You don't have to have a FaceCam in your videos, but you can if you want to. And if you want to have a good one, you can just buy the PlayStation camera, just so you don't worry too much about the FaceCam. Yeah. Just gonna tell you also that there's steps do get repeated a lot. So yeah. Okay, so when you're done recording your when you're done copying your video to your USB, it's gonna bring you back to here. All you have to do from here is just take this out. You have to be really careful not to hurt yourself, because this killed the dinosaurs. Okay, after this, you just have to plug your USB to your computer or PC or laptop, whatever you have. I have a 32 gig USB, so I think I'm gonna be okay. For this part, I'm gonna have to use my phone too, because I have no screen recorder for my laptop right now. Now that you have your USB plugged in, all you have to do is go to your files, click USB, go to your PS4, not Share Factory. Click Share, Video Clips, and choose the file that you want to use. It's the one that you selected the video in. I chose a video from Share Factory, so I'm gonna go ahead and use it. It is this one. So when you click on it, go ahead and drag it all the way to your Google Drive, and there it is. For the sake of this video, I'll cancel it and use another one. Okay, all that's left is use your phone for the final part.